Okay, so this is 4910 38th way south, and we just ran the jetter through this line to clear all the grease. Right now I'm all the way in the main line under the building. I've gone through the clean out in front of H107 with the jetter to break up any grease. So we've got her running her tub, and then she's contacting the people upstairs now. She wants all them to flush as well. So I'm just going to record with the water flowing coming back through this line that all the grease has been taken care of. So that's the main line. So now you can see we're in the branch line. And this is the line that had a bunch of grease in it. So with nice, clean, clear water, you know, I can watch the flow and see how everything's flowing. You can see everything's flowing great. I don't see any grease left in here. I don't see any obstructions. The camera kicks up just the real small amounts of debris that you see. That's left over from where the big grease chunks were. So we've got a lot of water going through this line right now just to make sure that everything looks good. And you can see the counter, I'm 33 feet underneath the building. Pipe looks good. I don't see anything broken. I don't see any cracks or breaks. Yeah. Yeah, I can tell they're doing it too. I have a lot of water coming through here. There's remnants of our grease chunks. You can see them. Now we're coming back out of the clean out. We've got the jetter in there now, just flushing it. So all the debris is gone all the way to the main on that line.